Hi everyone, Chris here with My Old House Fix, and today we're going to give you a little demo with the Speedheater Cobra. It's a lot smaller, and unlike the 1100, which is larger, this strips paint in a smaller area, and it only takes about 5 seconds. So let's check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Look at that. Nice and quick. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. $120 years worth of paint gone. What about door casings? Let's go check out the door casing. Speedheater works well on that too. As you can see, it's not that big. Elements are in the end, and it works really well on the door casings too. So again, about 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Peels right off. Look at that. Like butter. Peels it off like bubble gum off your shoe. Alright, that is it. The Speedheater Cobra. Check it out. It's not that big, it only weighs about a pound. A lot lighter than the 1100 too. Alright guys, just a quick tip. See ya.